Apart from leak detection, we also carry out residential and commercial heating, plumbing installations, repairs including first and second fix works. This job was completed at a GP practice in Haringey, North London. The old heating system was not working and the radiators were cold all the time. We installed 36 brand new radiators across the building. This included the ground floor and first floor. Access was limited, but the job had to be completed quickly. We used press-fit pipework to speed up the installation. This helped us avoid smoke alarms and keep the practice running safely. Some pipework under the radiators also had to be replaced. The full installation was completed in 5 days. Every radiator was installed, tested, and balanced properly. The heating system is now working as it should. In the plant room, we upgraded the controls. We installed 2 new zone valves. One controls the heating system. The other controls the hot water separately. Once the job was finished, we arranged waste removal and left the site clean and tidy. If you need a similar heating installation or a large project, commercial or domestic, get in touch with us for a clear fixed price.
Full funny faces.